Akala mo ako yung fat, police eh, parang bawal. Bawal mo sabihin yung fat. Pag sinabi
Tagapagtanggol
mo,
ng inaapi sa Yahoo Philippines.
So the title of this article is The F Word. Well, the both of us used to work in Yahoo Philippines. It's our first job. I used to work at Yahoo Philippines. In fact, it was my first job. One day, I was busy typing on my laptop when one of my male coworkers called a female coworker Miss B because she gained significant weight in her tummy area, and B stood for Miss Buntis. The name calling offended my office mate and she broke down in dramatic sobs jokingly, although it was more than half meant. I immediately tried to alleviate the situation by telling her, "Ba't ka nagpapa-apekto dyan? Huwag kang makinig dyan." But she didn't stop with a vocal expression of her dented self-esteem. At one point, she even joked Miss B would soon stand for Miss Bulimic.
Oh.
It's true though, she did gain weight. And once a woman is called fat, the typical reaction would be to feel insulted, hurt, or upset, even if she is by definition fat. It's disturbing to me how so much negativity has been associated with the word fat. It seems like it's everyone's worst nightmare to be described as that. I know all the body acceptance revolutionists like myself would see it as a great feat if women of all shapes and sizes would feel insecure in themselves and not let something as simple as a 3-letter adjective affect them so negatively. I myself know for a fact that once we've reclaimed fat and removed all the stigma attached to it, I'd be giving myself a pat on the back, feeling extremely happy and content, knowing that finally more women are getting it, that fat is not a bad word and shouldn't be treated as one. Okay, I have so many feelings about that. Two things. Yes, I still agree na parang don't let the word fat like get to your head. 'Di ba? Na parang someone jokes na parang tumaba ka, mukha kang buntis. Like to the point of having an eating disorder like bulimia, parang
Yeah.
don't. Parang have boundaries within yourself.
And parang just like with anything, there are biases in this world eh. Parang di mo matatanggal yun eh. And to say that fat should be all exclusive to good things,
yeah,
hindi eh.
exactly my point. Na gusto kong sabihin now is, but it is true that fat can also denote being unhealthy. You can take that out of the sphere of things eh. Na parang it can also denote higher risk for cardiovascular diseases.
Right,
You know,
right.
parang you can't just take that out of it.
Oh.
'Di ba? Na parang hindi, fat is just a word. No, meron siyang implications eh.
Meron,
'Di ba? Meron siyang implications.
And it's not a bad thing. Oh.
Oh, so ginawa ko nun sa Yahoo, pinrint ko yan. This scale only measures your body mass. It does not measure how much you are loved and cared for. Yeah. Sobrang ano. Your weight does not dictate the overall health of your body.
Maganda naman yung intention
And
mo,
most of all,
Stacey.
it does not define your worth as a person.
Maganda intention mo. Sa
Maganda
totoo
pero
lang.
minsan parang epal eh.
Extreme.